As I predicted, the latest release from Retrogames Limited is the Spectrum. The packaging for the Spectrum is top-notch. It's what you expect from Retrogames Limited. The review edition of the Spectrum comes with the full printed manual and this very snazzy 8GB USB drive. It's pretty awesome. Let's open up the Spectrum and see what's inside. My friend had a ZX Spectrum and this is exactly how I remember it. But at the back here, it's all business with 21st century connections. We have the home button, 3 controller ports, the USB port, HDMI, power adapter, LED and power button. Oh, this feels really solid. Really high quality feeling. The serial number is 129. The keys are exactly how I remember them being on the original ZX Spectrum. It's a really nice reimagined ZX Spectrum, Retrogames Limited. Well done. So what else do you get inside the box? You get the Spectrum introduction guide, a copy of Crash magazine, Crash being the original ZX Spectrum gaming bible, and finally you get the HDMI cable and power cord. That's the very first look at the ZX Spectrum reimagined by Retrogames Limited, the Spectrum. The test run coming soon.